Hi friends, this is Sarthak once again on Chart on My Lane, and thank you so much indeed for so much of love that you gave us on our biryani video. And today, let me take you to another amazing restaurant that serves real authentic Andhra food, and I'm sure you'll just love the pure flavors of the south and this amazing Andhra and Telugu food at this restaurant, Uluvacharu. Come on, let's enjoy. And this episode becomes even very special because of a very special guest, Mohammad Zubair, my friend. So I'll ask Mohammad Zubair to come in, and he's been kind enough to join us.
Pleasure meeting you, Sarthak.
And Mohammad Zubair, people in Hyderabad know him. I will ask him to introduce himself now. So, on to you, Mohammad Zubair.
It's been a pleasure, being a food blogger in Hyderabad. Hyderabad as a city is expanding huge. So I have been blogging in Hyderabad for almost 8 years now, and I run a blog on Instagram with the name of Hyderabad Food Diaries. And it is, an indeed pleasure to go out, meet so many amazing people, through the food journey. And today I'm getting to meet Sarthak. So I was actually looking forward to, shoot some videos with him and all, and go around a lot of places, but unfortunately time, that's the whole problem. But then fortunately we got to meet at Uluvacharu, and I'm going to take you through this journey with a lot of good South Indian food. Keep watching. So we'll begin with the first, a very well-known dish by at Uluvacharu, I would say.
But what is this?
So this is a bamboo, and this is called bamboo chicken. Chicken is stuffed inside.
Chicken. Oh, wow. Oh my god.
Basically, chicken which is stuffed inside a bamboo and cooked in tandoor. The chicken is marinated separately, and then once it is stuffed inside that bamboo, it is kept for us in the tandoor itself. And once it is cooked properly at a certain temperature, and then it is served.
And after bamboo chicken, I think what would be something else that would really amaze us. And look at what we have in front of us. This is one of the fish preparations that Zubair will talk more about, but it looks more of a mixture of an anaconda, a shark, and probably a python. And it's actually a fish, and it also has these small teeth. I don't know if you can see or not.
So this is called tandoori koramin. Koramin is basically a marel fish. The way it looks like anaconda and a combination of shark is only because the way it is cut.
Okay.
Because, the marination part is very important whenever you cook a fish. So this is basically marinated one day before with a lot of spices, then curd and ginger paste, and kept it for a day, 24 hours, and then it is cooked in tandoor. To make the meat more tender, they wrap it in a silver foil, and then cook it for almost 45 minutes at a go, and then they serve it.
So the ginger garlic paste has really gone in, and I think because of the marination in the curd, it's completely seeped in and it's just inside. So after that monstrous but delicious fish, we are on to another starter, a chicken starter. And
so this is one of the very fast-moving products at Uluvacharu. This is called Bangla Kodi. Kodi as in chicken, and one of the specialities of Uluvacharu is this. I love their food. Reason being because they keep it simple and they keep it tasty. That's how I would describe this place as. So this, if you see, this is a very simple preparation. You have a marinated chicken inside.
Oh wow!
And then there's a potatoes.
Wow. Yeah.
So this is filled with red chili and chili powder.
Yeah.
And then you have the marinated chicken inside. And when you're having it, you can sense it. It is crispier outside and juicy inside.
Oh, really, this combination is really good. So after that, the next starter is, I think, one of the vegetarian starters that we have.
Vegetarian starters, again, one of the very fast-moving products. This is called Pandu Mirpakaya Veg. So basically, this is like veg Manchuria, wherein Manchuria has a lot of, Szechuan sauce into it. The marination is different. So here you'll have a combination of sweet and salt at the same time,
Wow.
and a bit of spiciness to it.
And probably very innovative way to serve it. So I think I am just dying to get into the main course.
Yes.
And this looks, by the texture of it, looks a proper Indian risotto. I think good oil, egg, the carrot, beautiful colors, and an amazing aroma.
So this is called Rajugari Kodi Pulao. Kodi is again, your chicken. It is basically a steamed rice, cooked very nicely. The chicken is marinated separately. And exactly, the way you said, it looks like Indian risotto.
Yeah.
So it is going to be tasty, very different in taste, unlike the starters and all. Again, very Indian flavors to it. So I'll just tell you about the chutneys that we have. This is the Ullava Charu chutney.
Okay.
The restaurant is named after this.
This is such a different aroma. I don't know what we've eaten all across different places. It's so different aromas that you're getting. You're not getting the regular dalchinis or the kadi pattas, and but I think this will be ghee. What pulao was it?
Rajugari Kodi Pulao.
So guys, I cannot spell it and I cannot pronounce it. But you can definitely do one thing: keep watching our video again and again, and keep reading his blogs again and again to get the names and become our followers.
Oh yes. For any kind of queries on food, places, lounges, restaurants in Hyderabad, you can always message me, DM me. I'll always reply you back. That's Hyderabad Food Diaries again.
And Hyderabad Food Diaries is indeed one of the best that you can get. So friends, after that lovely pulao, so let me tell you, this place is very famous for their pulaos and their rice combinations. They have more than 16 different varieties, and we asked for the special ones. We shortlisted the best 4. One we've already shown you, and the other 3 are here.
So we got 3 main courses over here. The first one will go with this one. This is called Gadwal Kodi Pulao. Gadwal basically एक जगह है महबूबनगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जहाँ पे ये पुलाव बहुत फेमस है.
Okay.
So it has 6 to 7 different spices into it. The chicken is marinated separately and everything is mixed all together and a pulao is made.
Okay.
So this is going to be a bit spicy again.
अच्छा.
जिनको spicy खाना बहुत पसंद है वो लोग ये try कर सकते हैं.
Okay. Super.
And then the second one we have is this one. So a very basic preparation, बहुत ही simple सा. ये plain rice बनाया हुआ है हल्दी के हिसाब से. But then the speciality of this is this curry.
Yeah.
जो ऊपर रखा हुआ है, this is बैगन.
Yes.
And the last one is this, again named after one of the places, which is Guntur Bilal Pulao, we call it. I'm a mutton lover, If you ask me chicken or mutton, I always prefer mutton.
Oh, just look at the tenderness of this mutton. Just look at how soft it is, how well prepared it is, and so flavorful. So after that lovely mutton pulao, what are we in for next?
So after having all those spices, that spicy food, there are a lot of flavors and all, let's end it on a very simpler note, which is again this. The dish is called Gutti Vankaya Veg Pulao. Vankaya in Telugu means brinjal.
Okay.
So the preparation is very simple. The dish completely, the rice is made haldi se bana hua hai, and then uske upar hai baigan ka salan. So very simple, very homely touch to the dish. And
it's very simple. Cumin seeds, clove or long, onion, simple haldi, and the salan at the top.
And for this again, you will not be requiring other chutneys or ulva charus because you already have curry on top.
Correct.
So you can just mix it with the rice and start eating it.
Yes. Like in the baigan with the salan. Wow. And the salan is that perfect tanginess, the tangy flavor, that salan, and it's tasting so well with this rice. Lovely. Zubair, thank you so much. I had a ball, and I'm sure आपको भी मजा आया.
बहुत.
And the staff of Ullava Charu to serve us some lovely meal. So finally we are on to the dessert.
So we got 2 main desserts over here, a very well-known speciality of Ullava Charu. One is Junnu, very well-known in South India, and another is Apricot Delight. So to begin with, Junnu basically is a milk pudding,
Okay.
which is not a regular milk, but again the first calf milk that we call. So when a cow or a buffalo gives birth, the very first few days when the milk is in, it is made from that.
Okay.
The second one we have is apricot delight. It is again, very consumed dessert over here in
Lovely.
Hyderabad. So it is
There are
basically,
there are different layers that we see here.
yes. So it has got a biscuit. It has got apricot kurbani that we call.
Achha.
It has had. It also has a sponge cake and a lot of cream up,
Oh,
topped with
wow.
a cherry.
Go.
So we'll
and-
begin first with Junnu because this will be a bit,
Yeah,
milder
yeah.
in taste.
And tender. Okay.
Yes.
Let's have. जैसा बोलते हैं कि एक प्लेट में खाएंगे तो प्यार
प्यार
बढ़ेगा,
बढ़ेगा।
तो इनका इंस्टाग्राम बढ़ेगा, हमारा यूट्यूब बढ़ेगा। ये एडिट कर देना, डर लगेगा लालची किसके लिए खा रहे हैं। हाँ,
How's it?
I think there's some jaggery or good gone into it.
थोड़ा सा, not much.
So after that lovely chundupunu, we are on to the last dessert, and as he explained, it's a 3-layered apricot pudding, correct?
Apricot delight.
Apricot delight, which we will now go on to, and let's try this. Oh.
See, very different than Junnu. Again,
Yeah.
Junnu is more milder and this is
Yeah.
more sweeter.
This is a sweet tooth man's delight. Because
So one dessert that you cannot miss at Ulvacharu is
this.
yes.
So, after this, last words from you from Ulvacharu.
Well, one of those places where you really want to have a complete meal of proper family fine dining restaurant, which has a lot of flavorful food when it comes to starters, main course, or thali, or even a buffet. Plus, they have got amazing desserts. So whenever you're in Hyderabad and want to try some really South Indian food, Ulvacharu is the place for you.
Ulvacharu, please remember they have just 2 branches, one in Gachibowli and the other at Jubilee Hills. So till that time, bye. See you. So much of love that you've been giving us. Now, please also go on Instagram, Chow Down My Lane, and see a lot of behind the scene activities. You can also go on Facebook, Chow Down My Lane, our page, and see a lot of fun that goes during our shoots. Please also join us on Chow Foodies, our Facebook group, where there are a lot of bloggers and you can contribute as well with a lot of food stuff that you want to. We can also buy the merchandise, our t-shirts, caps, and other things that will keep coming on our WhatsApp page. The details are also available on the Facebook page for you. So guys, enjoy yourself, have fun, ciao.